Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Regenerative Business Podcast with Sam Garcia. I'm so happy you're here. We're doing something a little different today, and I'm going to be giving you your Radical Riches Affirmation activation. This audio is designed to help you recode your relationship with money, with power, with purpose, so your wealth becomes a living force for regeneration. These affirmations come straight from the Radical Riches Workshop, a session I created for online business owners who are ready to reorient their businesses towards purpose, towards impact and legacy. I held this live a few months ago, and I've been meaning to create this audio in all of this time and finally circling back to doing it. So if you joined me for the workshop, this is the perfect companion to the work we did in there, and to really help you sink in to a larger identity in creating radical riches in your community, in your business, and becoming the steward of wealth to create positive collective change. Of course, if you did not join me for the workshop, you can get the recording, which comes with a companion workbook and other resources. It's only $99, and I'll put a link to that in the show notes. And of course, if you're craving ongoing support and structure for growing your regenerative business, the Regenerative Business Ecosystem is where this work continues, which is my membership for soul-led entrepreneurs ready to build businesses that fund their freedom and the future. If you're listening to this in real time, RBE is not open for enrollment, but you can get on the wait list. We'll do another behind the scenes opening before the end of 2025, but you'll only see that if you're on the wait list. So get links to both of those, the workshop and RBE, in the description. And of course, you're welcome to repeat these affirmations back, or you can just let them wash over you. If you're into EFT, you are welcome to tap the EFT tapping points while listening or while repeating. So now get comfortable, take a slow breath in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, and letting the sounds guide you inward. Taking another deep breath in and letting it go. One more deep breath in and exhaling. Continuing to stay comfortable as you listen to this Radical Riches activation. I'm awake to the state of the world and still choose to create beauty. My business is part of the earth's healing. I no longer separate money from humanity. Every dollar that moves through me carries intention, prayer, and purpose. I am here to reimagine wealth as restoration. I trust that my success contributes to the whole. When I succeed, the world becomes a better place. I do not have to wait for permission. I am funding the future now. I am safe to want more. Desire is safe guidance to follow. I honor the part of me that wants comfort, beauty, and overflow. My desire is a sacred signal of where I'm meant to serve. Wanting more does not make me complicit. It makes me resourced. Every time I let myself receive, the world benefits. I unify the parts of me that once believed money and goodness couldn't coexist. I know that money and goodness can coexist. I no longer apologize for wanting to thrive. I gather back all the tributaries of my power. I call my power back to me now. Every part of me now flows towards my highest purpose. My energy no longer leaks into guilt, fear, or over-responsibility. My money is clean, alive, and connected to Source. I open up more channels for money to flow to me now. I am a channel for resources that regenerate people and the planet. Wealth moves through me easily, ethically, and ecstatically. The more I circulate, the more life expands. I am a part of nature, and nature is infinite abundance. There is always another harvest, another season, another cycle of giving and receiving. I am already surrounded by more than enough. I am more than enough. I'm sitting on an orchard of gifts waiting to be shared. Every idea, every skill, every story in me is fruit ready to feed others. When I share abundantly, the soil of my business becomes more fertile. Overflow is natural. I allow an overflow of goodness into my life. My body can safely hold more money, more love, more visibility. I am expanding my capacity for joy, grief, and growth all at once. I don't have to earn ease. I embody ease. I can be resourced and revolutionary at the same time. My nervous system is my greatest business mentor. I regulate not to shrink, but to receive. I am safe being powerful, seen, and paid. It is safe for me to rise. It is safe for me to expand. As I grow, my relationships grow stronger and more honest. The people meant for me celebrate my success. Those who feel triggered by my light are invited into their own. I do not have to dim to stay connected. My wealth amplifies my generosity. Abundance magnifies my heart. It is safe to be visible, wealthy, and loved. I can hold both admiration and criticism with grace. I release the fear of being canceled, envied, or judged, because my integrity is my protection. My authenticity protects me. I am surrounded by allies, ancestors, and community who want me to thrive. Every time I expand, I make it safer for others to expand too. My wealth creates belonging. It is safe for me to be successful in public. It is safe to be seen doing well. It is safe to be the example of ethical prosperity. I am allowed to win. Windfalls of cash allow me to do even more powerful work in my community. I call in windfalls of cash into me now, into my business now, into my community now. True rebellion is creating the alternative. I'm building systems that outlast me. I use capitalism as compost to grow new worlds. Every sale funds liberation and legacy. I'm not afraid to play the game differently. Profit is not the goal. It is the fuel for regeneration. I am a steward of wealth that circulates for good. My business is my activism, my art, and my spell for collective healing. I'm willing to be misunderstood and still lead. I'm willing to be seen thriving and still trusted. My values are my beacon. They magnetize my people towards me. My business is a living ecosystem. My purpose moves through everything I touch. I am here to build riches that ripple for generations. I am ready to create generational wealth for myself, my lineage, my community, and all who I am here to serve. I am the root. I am the river. I am the revolution. Taking a deep breath in and hold and letting it go. Feel how your body, your business, and the earth are all part of the same ecosystem of giving and receiving. Thank you so much for being here with me, for taking this time to really center this work and really step into this next level of leadership, one where you are this leader of the revolution or a leader within the revolution, knowing that you're the channel through which wealth becomes wisdom. You can do this as many times as you like. You can make a 30-day practice of this where every single day you can take a few minutes and come and speak these affirmations, tap on these affirmations, or just listen to these affirmations, maybe putting them on before you go to bed or right when you wake up when you're still blurry-eyed in your bed. Knowing that with conscious mindset work like affirmations, repetition does serve you. So you can even notice over time how these things activate you in different ways, how they get more comfortable over time. And of course, if this activation stirred something in you, go experience the full Radical Riches workshop. It's where we dive into the psychology, the energetics, and practical strategies of building wealth that creates change. Link for that is in the show notes. It's $99. And when you're ready to make this way of doing business your ongoing reality, come join me inside the regenerative business ecosystem, our community for online entrepreneurs building ethical, prosperous, and nature-aligned companies. It is the only way currently to work with me live. We do live Q&A calls every single month. I answer every single question that's submitted and that's asked live. All the details are waiting for you in the show notes. And until next time, I invite you to breathe in your wealth and breathe out your legacy. And I'll talk to you soon.